Welcome to another unboxing. Here is the Voking Viewfinder, the VF1. It's designed to go on the back of your camera, and obviously it's really handy for anyone who wants to do any sort of video. Now, if anyone doesn't know, recording video on a digital SLR is difficult in basically any sort of sunny weather because you get a lot of reflections, and it makes it almost impossible in bright sunlight to actually see what's happening. So you do need a viewfinder to see what's going off, because unfortunately with digital SLRs you cannot see through the lens, through your viewfinder at the same time of recording video. So without further ado, let's do an unboxing of the viewfinder, and I'll show you how you connect it to your digital SLR. So the unboxing comes in a nice padded box, and you do get a few of the components. So let's just go through with what you actually get. Now, you get a warranty card. You get an instruction manual. A lot of it is in Chinese, but some parts of it is in English, so it's definitely usable. You get basically a plate for it. You get that out of the box, the packaging I mean. Just have rubber on the top. Unlike some of the other ones where it might just have a bit of rubber, this has rubber all over it, and it makes it very, very stable when you attach it. You get an extension plate, which is really handy. Now, this is something that people will, when they purchase online from Amazon and other retailers, what you've got to remember is some people want to use this with their battery grip, and there's not a lot out there that actually will do that. So this one has the advantage of being able to use this. This has the advantage of using this mounting plate with your battery grip, so you'll be able to obviously use the viewfinder on your camera with your battery grip. So it's really handy that they supply that, because on some of the more expensive ones, the camera here for example, you have to buy that as an optional extra, so they do include that plate, which is good. Here's the viewfinder. Basically, it's like all the other ones really. Basically, you have a diopter there, allowing to adjust the actual lens, so anyone who's got eyesight problems can adjust. The only problem I did experience is it's not very powerful, but you should be fine if you wear your glasses on top, because you can actually use your glasses through the viewfinder with the cup on with no major issues. I didn't experience any problems. My eyesight's quite poor, so in combination with my glasses and the diopter, I was able to achieve a good, obviously, field of view of what was happening on the LCD screen. Now, you can take the eyepiece off like so, and you can move it over like so. So it can be, you can use it on your left and right eye, no issues. The only thing I did experience that on some of the other ones, you do get like a shutter that goes over the lens that protects the actual glass from dust and any sort of issues with the sun, because as everyone probably knows, if you leave glass exposed to bright sunlight, it's like a magnifying glass, and it could burn or damage your actual LCD monitor. So if you're in bright sunlight and you don't have anything that goes over the lens, like a cap or some sort of shutter that closes, I'd advise you to put a cloth over the eyepiece so it doesn't risk in damaging your LCD in any way, shape or form. Now, the picture, when you see it on Amazon, will look like that, and this is plastic. Unfortunately, it does look like it's metal the way it's pitted, but it's not. It's just plastic. So you know, it's well designed because basically it has magnets. I don't know if you can see them. Magnets that keep it closed, and it shuts like so. But it's curved, so it allows you to basically use a touch screen with your finger with no issues with reaching the screen. Now it does have this elastic band, which is really handy. Now some of these require some sort of adhesive that you attach to the actual LCDs, but this has a rubber cover over the back of it, so it won't damage or scratch your LCD screen. So that's pretty good that that's on there. And basically, obviously you've got a plate here that does attach to this, and the idea is once you've attached this to your plate that's already on there, you just release that, and basically that will attach to that, basically, once you've unscrewed that. So basically I'll attach it to the camera and you guys can have a look how it looks and how it attaches. Now unfortunately with my copy, one of these screws doesn't screw in properly. It may just be a small defect with this particular model, so I won't be too concerned, but if any issues, please contact the company and they should be able to sort that out for you. So once it's tightened on there, you can move that up and down. Once it's tightened on there, you can move it from side to side like so, so it fits the LCD screen. Now it will fit up to a 3.2 inch screen. They're designed to fit 3-inch standard screens, but it shouldn't be an issue. So what you do with your base plate is you attach it to your camera, and you fit that on there, and then obviously you can adjust it, so you just loosen that, loosen that up, and then it should go on like so, and then you raise the height by loosening one of these on either side, so it should come up a bit. Alright, and then what you do is you tighten that on. And then it's on there, so you can obviously use it like so, and it should be fine. So let's just turn the camera on. So you guys can have a look how it looks with the actual thing off. So you can actually see the display, and if it was touchscreen, you could put your hands in there quite easily and there shouldn't be any issues. The last thing you do is you take this elastic and put it over the top of the flash, and it's really secure, and then you can obviously tighten these up, and that's really handy. Now as you can probably see, that won't fit a battery grip. That's why they include the extra attachment, because obviously it's a lot longer and it will fit you know, a camera with a battery grip on it. Here we have the 7D, and as you can see it's quite long, and that means it should quite easily fit a camera with a battery grip on it. So hopefully that gives you an idea of the size of it fitting on your device. Hopefully that gives you an idea of it fitting on a camera with a battery grip. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll put a link in the description where you can purchase it from. Typically you'll pay around £40 for this. If you're interested in the more expensive ones, I'll put a link to a mid-range one which is around £120, and obviously they do go up in price way up to £1,000. So it depends how much you want to spend on it, but I just hope this little video was helpful on this particular device. So I just hope this video was helpful. So that was the Voking VF1 Viewfinder LCD. It will fit up to 3.2 inch screen, and obviously it has adjustable diaphragm on there for you to adjust your vision. So I hope this little video was helpful. Blah blah blah. I've done that now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. I just wanted to show you guys this product, and thank you for your time. Bye bye.